Are you on the hunt for the best roofing service in Toronto? You're not just looking for any service, you want the best. Why? Because the roof is your home's first line of defense against the elements. It protects your home, and more importantly, the people inside it. The best service means quality materials, expert workmanship, and unparalleled customer service. It means peace of mind, knowing that your roof can withstand the harshest weather conditions. It means saving money in the long run because a well-constructed roof means fewer repairs and replacements. Choosing the best roofing service is not just about the here and now, it's about the future. It's about ensuring that your home stays safe and secure for years to come. So, where can you find the best roofing service in Toronto? Look no further than inthegta.com. It's your one-stop destination for the most trusted roofing services in the city. Don't leave your roof to chance, choose the best. Visit inthegta.com now, or check the description below for a list of the best. Make the smart choice for your home.